So I've prepared some cabillaud, some cob. Do it in the frying pan, lightly fried with no flour. A lovely white fish, rich. It's got a beautiful flavor. I just put a little bit of salt and pepper, some spring onions, and then I'm going to do it in the frying pan. It's busy marinating here for a little bit. And then we got some mussels that we bought here in Fontaine. I've prepared a little mix here for the pot for the mussels. It's white wine, olive oil, garlic, onions and spring onions, and 1 slice of tomato. It's to go into the pot. It's going to boil, and then this is going to come in and infuse into the mussels. So that's where we're going to do the fish in this frying pan. In the spot we're going to do the mussels. You can actually see what's going on. It's a see-through. It's already hot there. This is Kob that we're making here. It's ready to go into the pan. So this was Alpha Kob. It was very cheap. It was bought here in Fontaine. It just cost 110 rand. For 3 generous pieces of fish. This will probably take about 15 minutes in total to cook. So now I can hear the sizzling of the fish. I'm going to bring down the temperature to 7. It's going to be now for 2 minutes, or 3 minutes actually. Putting a little some lemon juice from this is sizzling. We're going to bring down the temperature another 2 notches, and we're going to be turning the fish around now. Wow, this looks fabulous. And another 5 minutes on the side. There's some tomatoes here on the side. Okay, time to bring down the heat. Turn the fish around and it's ready. Fresh Italian parsley. Close the lid. I'm gonna wait for this water to boil. I'm gonna bring another frying pan. Yeah, it's a bit small, but we're gonna manage. We're gonna bring some salt into the water. So we're gonna boil these mussels for 2 minutes. Once the water starts boiling again, a little bit of olive oil, yeah. This is also ready. Just gonna fizzle or sizzle this a little bit, yeah. Yeah, the mussels are ready. We're going to drain this water and put the sauce that we made. We're going to put a generous amount of this wine from this local area, from Fontaine local wine. That's it. Don't put fresh cream on mussels. In my opinion, that doesn't go. Fresh cream doesn't go with seafood. Dash your black pepper. Some olive. Some lemon juice. Fresh parsley. Can smell the aromas of the white wine and the mixture that I made earlier. Bring out the temperature here. And both of them are done. We got our fish here, tomato and onion if you want it on the side, and our olives. What did I say now? The olives are in the fridge store. This is our mussels here, a mussel pot. It's only 400 grams, so it's half a mussel pot. With a nice glass of wine, if you drink white wine, Chenin Blanc will be good with this meal. And it's time to enjoy it. Thank you. So this is our meal for this evening. We've got the Cape Kob, which is a nice white fish, lovely full fish, full flesh, with a little bit of onion and tomato there, just on the side. We got Western Cape, Saldanha Bay mussels, black mussels, cooked in garlic and white wine. Yeah, enjoy your meal. Thank you. We're going to enjoy the meal. I'm gonna light a fire.